Now we know that when we see brackets in a calculation, we always do what's in brackets first. But for these questions, we don't have brackets, but we do have mixed operations, and there's a special order in which we always do operations. If we see a squared or cubed symbol, we always do that first, but then we multiply or divide before we add or subtract. The way I remember this is that addition and subtraction are easy, and we leave the easy stuff until the end. So first, we have 20 plus 4 times 2, but we need to remember that we multiply before we add. Now 4 times 2 is 8, so for this question, we need to work out 20 plus 8, which is 28. Now we have 3 times 5 plus 2, so we always multiply before we add. 3 times 5 is 15, so we can work out that 15 plus 2 is 17. So for this problem, we can do the order that it's written in because we have multiplication before addition. Now 60 plus 42 divided by 6. We divide before we add, and 42 divided by 6 is 7. So we need to work out 60 plus 7, which is 67. Now 80 minus 20 plus 10. So here we have subtraction and addition, but subtraction and addition are on the same level. We don't necessarily do one before the other, so we can just solve this problem in the order that it's written in. So 80 minus 20 is 60, and then 60 plus 10 is 70. So here, because subtraction and addition are on the same level, we just do the question from left to right. Now 9 squared plus 36 divided by 9. When we see a squared or cubed symbol, we always deal with that first. Now 9 squared means 9 times 9, so that's 81. So now we have 81 plus 36 divided by 9, but we always do division before we do addition. 36 divided by 9 is 4, so we can work out 81 plus 4, that's 85 as our answer. Now 8 minus 2 squared divided by 2. We do squareds first, and 2 squared is 4, because 2 times 2 is 4. So we can work out 8 minus 4 divided by 2. But we do division before we do subtraction. 4 divided by 2 is 2, so we can work out 8 minus 2. That's 6 as our answer. So remember, the order is that we do brackets first, then we do squareds or cubes, then we do multiplication or division, then we do addition or subtraction, because addition and subtraction are easy, and we leave the easy stuff till the end. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.